We are back. Welcome to another exciting new episode of Zion Cut with Nostro.
I was very excited when I got the call in Buti Nizam Sunday, and especially because it's not just a podcast.
Okay.
A podcast, Lena.
An award-winning podcast.
Go
there, my child.
Award-winning
podcast.
Come on, listen, the things happen, and by justifying Buti, now they are human.
No, the holy boy, that's now human.
Those really
Jesus Christ.
But now, biggest transfer is definitely Abosis Basa Pilibas moving to Ebelinfan.
We're talking about giving abantu their flowers. I've got my favorite, my favorite. Utulana, Matonze. Mhola ibize nje account number nje. Yazi mhola ngasaba bazathi yenza immediate payment. Ngathuka ngene kwenye live bathi yenza immediate payment ngathi
kanjani mfethu. Kanjani uyehlela kanjani indaba zomuntu ku live? Asikhulume iqiniso mfethu.
So are you saying mama? Everyone.
What you are doing mfowethu?
Una mama, umuntu wena. Yakhaba mama.
What you are doing?
Elmo. That's no, Zion Operation Kutulula. It's a non-profit. It's a registered non-profit organization that deals with serious cases. Recently, we've had like I think it's 4 cases of rape. And they want to show them made. Police.
I don't get to be a machine. I'm going to sometimes.
And of course, before Sivana, we've got great news. I've also been given an opportunity to be the master of ceremony alongside Uzinhle Tanjikwayo, happening tomorrow. Ekatlehong Esprit MVG is hosting. We are full of event in MVG, but Uzo witness the orchestra. Ezayoni, come on guys, we are indeed moving with the time.
Sure.
What's your take?
Most definitely. But something new.
Sure. Guys, please do get your tickets. I've heard that there's a sale going on. That's a bulk sale that has happened, and then it was sold out by Buisi the 40. If not, tickets will be sold at 200 rands. Obviously not. Sure. I don't even know what to expect.
Yeah, well, so most anticipated event, I would say, this month. So put up in numbers.
The word of the day, life's too short. A standard. Hello. We are back. Welcome to another exciting new episode of Zion Cut with Nostro. Come on, bro. This guy's not guying, man. This guy's not guying. Hello guys, we are back finally after a long break. But we thank God. And today my co-host is none other than the guy who was recently a guest, is it Lungile and Friends?
Lungile Kabindi. That's it.
But I asked what's the name of the podcast? What's the name of
I don't know the name of the podcast.
How do you go to a podcast? So how did you go to a podcast?
Invitation.
What does the invitation say? The letterhead? Okay, it was not okay. It's fine.
It's not.
But yeah, shout out to. Let me give her a name, Lungile and Friends. But I think it's got Lungile, and Chill. I'm not sure if but it's got
Lungile podcast
and Chill. Yeah, something like that.
Lungile podcast and Chill.
Yeah. So yeah. Shout out to Yena. I think I watched from start to finish.
Yes.
Even though you were not what people expected, as I anticipated on Facebook,
okay.
But other than that, we've got Thabo Mbabungubani. You know him from controversial Facebook.
Fethu. Come back.
Fethu, all good. Sibonga wena ukuthi uze lana today. We are grateful ukuthi usigrace with your presence. How do you feel?
I'm very excited. I was very excited when I got the call ukuthi ngize Msondele. And especially because it's not just a podcast.
Okay.
A podcast, Lena.
An award-winning podcast.
Go
there, my child.
An award-winning
podcast. Okay.
So I'm very excited with you too. Thank
Sure.
you for inviting me.
Yeah.
And I'm not just a guest. I'm a guest.
What are you?
We are launching a new project.
Okay.
By today, you must.
Who will be the host of that?
Thabo Ngubane will be the host of the podcast.
Oh, man, team game.
Ngithi mina ngithola islot.
Uthola islot. Khona la ekhaya. Ladies and gentlemen, Zwele from the horse's mouth. However, ama-details ngiyacabanga ukuthi asazolandela. I am just excited to be behind this beautiful setup. Of course, I'm not alone. I am with Ed Space Production, who happens to be a co-host, and a cameraman as well.
Photographer.
No, you're not a photographer.
Videographer.
You are he's also a sound sound engineer. He's a producer of this show. It took us 2 hours ukuthi siqale ukushootha
ngoba siqalele saqala le ku live TikTok live. So saqala le ku TikTok live.
Sure.
Things were very hot.
Yeah.
Very hot. But we hope enjoy the segment bafika.
Mangethe mfowethu.
Into enhle.
Yeah.
Bulisa ngani yakwethu.
Sanibona ngani zakwethu sitha sisithombe sibi lo. Nami ngithi ngiyabingelela ngithi sanibona. Yebo phela.
Okay. I think it's the second time we're having a 2K like was cut. The last 2Ks, the first and the last, if I'm not mistaken, was Operation Kukulula.
Okay.
When our first actually project when we went and gave Umkhulu Isipho. So I was co-hosting with Nkosazana, who was supposed to be here today. Unfortunately, she missed this beautiful opportunity. And we had Utozani as well, of which they were great as well. Also, I gave them a slot as well. Just that by Tatega here and the Nami, obviously,
we have to move.
We
have to move.
Where do we start, my brother? Where do we start? Ngifuna ukuthi siyiphushe, ngifuna ukuthi siyigijimise uyangenza
ngicela siyiphuthume mfethu.
Ngifuna nje sibambe hour lokubuye lokubabutshela nje ukuthi bafethu we are back. I know ukuthi niyasithanda and thank you for being with us. Seeing a post loku ni subscriber as of today I think we were on 12.1 something ne maget. It was 12,000 subscribers. So yeah, big up guys, thank you very much. We appreciate the love and support. You know, I got a text from a lot of people about kanti what happened to Zona Kati and then mabasho isiZulu sithi ukuhlehla yenza
so yamude manje ukwenza
Shesha kancane
kwenzani
angazi.
Yeah, but that's uthatha amandla. Then when you come back, eventually you come back stronger. And as you can see, I am happy about our setup.
New setup.
All thanks to our, our co-producer who made sure that we have a beautiful view as well. Of course, we have partnered with OJL Enterprise, and he has Gakuru that is owned. The CEO is one of ours, Konala Ezayoni. They provide AMA services where fiber unlimited fiber services, Ivuma, Pekelizi. Yeah, so we're still going to be talking about that as well. And then we've got. Hey, where do we start, in fact? Where do we start?
Because Guni.
I think, Magete, do you have a suggestion?
Mhlawumbe ngokubuka kwami singangena kule ku TikTok.
Siqale nge TikTok.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
what about
abaholi thizeni ema-inboxini wey'ngane.
Hawu. Sasilungise manje.
No, leyo mani ngifuna siyibambe.
Siyibambe lethu.
Hey mangithi kulento enjalo bafethelezana.
Zikhona lezi zinto, things happen and by justify ngokuthi nabo they are human.
The holy boy that na you human.
Uzwile mfowethu bathi nabo bayabambeka bayakhisheka thizi bathi nabo bayabona abantu
usho umholi afanye ikholo lathi nami
ngumuntu
ngiyaphelizwe no, it's fine. Let us start about because we've been away since I think March, if not ngikhulume nekhucula, but in terms of our normal podcast we've been away since March. Yeah.
It's been a minute.
It's been a minute, ne?
Podcast. And the man is wearing in danger. In danger, sha.
Transfer season, guys.
Brand new from the box.
Transfer season. Yes.
Aziyabuye. Madwala yaphuma yangena. Kunzima.
What's your take about the transfer season? Is it something contagious? Ithelelanayo? Is it something abantu oyikhayelayo because of a certain friend mhlambe uyehalela abanye mhlambe khona baphume bangathandi kodwa bagcine baphumile ngenxa yokuthi mhlambe nkosinathi sekaphumile kuphi kuseka kuphi? What do you think?
I personally believe ukuthi umuntu usonda la inhliziyo yakhe iholela khona.
Sure.
So angeke simblame umuntu for ukuphuma because sometimes abantu baphuma singazazi izathu sokuthi baphumelele.
Okay.
Yabo. Thina suke sigxeke singazi. But ayiyashintshwa manje. Sometimes I feel engathi kuba khona nayo leyo influence ukuthi ngoba unasipose kaphumile sekale kuma green beans awuthi ngilandele.
Green beans.
Hayi bomfo. Kanti ubuya. Kanti ubuya. Sengenze example ngawe.
Like, is it just an example or it's
just an example ephilayo? Example ephilayo. Hayi ukuthi exist. Exist. Ukhona umuntu ongaphuma esontweni just because uthanda wena. And manje uma kuphuma wena ubona kahle ukuthi hayi mina ngeke ngikwazi ukusonta umlangi nangekho.
Okay. But let's talk about transfer. Okay, this year let's talk about from January till date, ne?
Yeah.
It's 10 months.
Yeah,
since
10
January.
months. Yeah.
The biggest transfer ocabanga ukuthi wena yenza ke. The biggest the one that
shook the world.
Exactly.
Based on what I've seen and what I've heard, the biggest transfer is definitely Abosisi Believers moving to Epping Park.
That's your biggest?
This is the biggest. This year?
Yeah.
Oh, you go to over this section too? No.
Yeah. No, I want to understand. I'm full of peace, but I'm going to suppose that way.
Oh yeah, but definitely the biggest.
Sure. When you say about CC, we don't want names, but how many people are we talking about?
Based on what I know, Abosisi lava besbazi ku front line.
The forefront.
Yeah. Lava besbazi ku forefront, and of which ngibona na kuma TikTok wabo ukuthi abantu get shocked base babona ukuthi how solely.
Are you saying ukuthi labo bantu labi bathi forever yona?
That's why mina ngithi ungazi forever yona ngoba ulazi kusasa lakho.
Magethe, what's your take for?
Hayi sibonile khona vele kwenzeka ngaleyo ndlela leyo yosho ngayo before. Unzima.
Yeah, what's your biggest?
Biggest transfer.
Iyo leyo nami ayisho umfo engisabona le trend ama social media. Angithi ngayo mhlawumbe social media.
Well guys, we've got amadwana abo
sangenzeka
phela ukhona mfethu.
Kodwa nje for social media.
Based on what you've seen.
Okay, but we know Usimkhwanazi, we know uSisi lo acula.
Yeah, I think Mancane.
Yes.
Yeah.
That's the biggest. We're talking about people who are making impact. Exactly. Besides that, but we're talking about someone who makes an impact. And
that's what you're doing.
More as people. That's the biggest.
But Mlangeni, as previously,
yes.
Abosisi labo, we know them as the forefront yesonto.
Yes.
Most yabo sibazi bakhulele lapha and sazi ukuthi yibo lesi. Masibona isonto sibona bona. Anyway,
Okay. I get you and I'm
You get what
not
I'm
disputing
saying?
what you're saying. Yeah, so I get you.
So angeke mina ngithi mina engiyibonile uSibungu.
Yeah, okay, sure.
Cause awusuke umuntu mina engihamlandelela per se.
Yeah.
So I would say the people that I've seen and that I know ukuthi baphumile yibo labo engikhuluma ngabo ukuthi ngibabona.
But I was sure. Man, I was sure. Okay, that's fine. Let's talk about Burning Fire, bro. Yeah, Burning Fire.
Uyavutha umlilo.
Burning Fire is burning.
Uyavutha umlilo bo. Uyavutha umlilo.
Even Brian Mujomane, ilaba. Ujomane umuntu manje wesonto.
Yeah.
Mara manje sekayasonta. Uthungisile, Ujomane bekashayila icephe zakhe. Hayi manje uthungisile. Let's talk about Burning Fire, mfana. How do you feel about what? Because let's keep them.
Yeah. Kibeke, and we can't dispute that. Yeah, what?
Hello. Yeah, I'm telling you, ne.
Alright, to
Sharp put. Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Sorry about
So
that.
it's fine.
Yeah.
So
Let's talk about Burning Fire.
Let's talk about Burning Fire. Let's Burning Fire ifike. Uyavuthula umlilo wona. Uthatha kasana noma kita ngoma fikile.
You know, Ben Shooter, I think it was, what was the date when it was on Saturday in Tigapol? Was it August?
Yeah,
Sometime they
August.
August.
Yeah.
9 August or somewhere.
I'm not sure, but it was somewhere I think they in August.
Bro.
Bangene ngani labantu?
Bro.
Nyonga.
Ha! And
No.
then that was before what we've seen.
Before what you
recently now.
hey, it was just a preview.
Hayibo, bengishukuthi ne? Yazi ngasimile ngiwani ngathi hayi ayikho phela into enje. Bengizothi ayikho kodwa la ingekho.
Now uyayibona.
So what happened lapha ngiyashutha vele umlindelo it's normal. Nayi Burning Fire.
Ngiyangena.
And enye into ke ingena ngobuyoni. Ingena ngobuyoni. Basa. Ngithi hayi okay ake sizwe ngoba
Basiphathele.
yeah sibazi
nge-chorus.
ukuthi
bayaqhelaza
nge-chorus. Bangene ngobuyoni bro wami.
Bangena.
Mfethu bake bangena ngaze ngahamba ngayoma stage lapha ngakuba hole lapha ya. Sengibukele.
Ubona kahle.
Remember ukuthi la sekugcwele la center manje. But now when you look lapha yamnyango basangena. Ngathi ayikho into enje. Ngathi ayikho into enje. So then now they launched a branch ezonke izizwe. Then this guy keep calling me man, I don't know why. Then they launched a branch
Ezonke izizwe, which is in Katlehong.
Katlehong.
Yes.
Hayi kathiwa nje gaza. From lapho beke. And now we're talking about faces.
And I would see it's regular people ngena abantu big people.
Not
the normal ones, but
hayi ngane nje.
hayibo la ukudlala singabazi. Hayibo labo
Bakudlala mfethu.
hayibo ezilabantu ngena abantu recently siqeda ukubona I think if not last week 2 weeks back ingene ubo siyamazi
Baqinisa manje.
bethi baqinisa
And manje the nice part is that shukuthi sebaqinisa obviously chorus baqinile now ubuyoni seba abasub chance because phela bakhona abantu be chorus ubuyoni nje babe ne confidence ngoba abantswembe nge chorus then thina sib understand better sibuke nje
sibuke kodwa phela hayibo
yabona so now seba qhilaza manje ebuyonini
bese labantu baphethe into yabo and baseza
uthini kimi
phela basazoqhilaza
usho ukuthi nakule viki leli kunabantu abazongena eBurning Fire
mfethu sesiyabona ibeke libiki ngathi kwazi kusuka umuntu ongasonti ahamba ayozinikela
just and akhuthale
going forward because based on what I've seen
what do you think
abantu bayasonta
okay so what do you think is the cause of that ukuthi mhlambe abantu abaningi babone i-interest yokuthi baye eBurning Fire what do you think is the cause of that
I believe ukuthi isikhathi masifikile
isifikile sure
it's definitely season yabo
and obviously
that we cannot take away from
ukuvuka kwenye kuwa kene
Angithi
but ukuvuka kwenye
no names mentioned. No names mentioned, but definitely ukuvuka kwenye
ukuvuka kwenye
uyangizwa bani yakho.
Ngiyakuzwa futhi.
Yeah. So no, it's fine. So when your biggest transfer, it's Abusisi BIC, of course, because they are front line.
Yes.
But I was watching live funeral ka Melissa.
Yeah.
Akubonakala kangako, like sibe nje honest nje. The way, I'm not sure if it's the beauty. Uma abantu behlangene bajoinile nanani, but ngibone mina into enhle still like sharp.
Yeah, that we cannot take away from them.
Okay.
BIC email.
What's your lesson from, as you are saying, ukuthi abosisi labaya yibo EPS transfer yakho? What's your lesson that you have learned in all that? Or yini into ongasho ukuthi umuntu omunye angayisho? What's your word of the day?
My word of the day, ungathi mfethu uyofela lapha. Ngoba wazi ukuthi kusasa liphatheleni. Khona maningi amadoda esiwazi, hayi ngincaba yini madoda. Bashile
Ngizothi down umncaba.
Hayi nomncaba nongikhipha ngebox la. Kodwa ishile. Mase mkhumbuza umuntu wakwathi.
Yeah, abantu bayakwazi.
Baningi esabathinta ku Facebook ngoba baphumile.
Yeah. So behind the cameras, Mofika, I heard you talking about Inyoni dominating in the chorus. What? What's your take in all that? She's so in look.
Personally,
Sure.
Without
what's unique about them, Sam?
What's unique about them?
Yeah.
What's
good leg about Ukona? Yeah. Alright, sure.
What's unique about them? I feel that it's a composed.
Sure. Hey, okay, no, it's fine. When you talk about composers, we are saying, guys, I've got flowers, I've got a bunch of flowers. I want to give someone.
I'm a composer. That guy is a beast.
Usatan,
that guy is a beast.
Usatan.
I want to and considering ukuthi uthole nonzini abantu abaningi bacabanga ukuthi unzini wouldn't succeed in
sure that's true
because they know him as umuntu waseRiver but bheka into fanzo nonzini abayenza the combo abayenza baqalile bayaqala
ngalo futhi umlindele
mfethu ngaloko oqala baqeda ukuphuma
Nabona abanye babiphile lapha yakulo.
Bento manje bakwatile manje lapha unzini yabashaya. Sebakwatile abantu bethu but I believe ukuthi mfethu umuntu meke change isonto akumiyenzi sitha.
Yeah,
angeke ngikuzone because uphumile esontweni lapho.
Abanye bezona abanye abasasikhulumisi nani.
Baningi angazi babona kahle ukuthi ubalekisa ingoma yabo noma manitswembu nitswembu. Umuntu mele phumile waphuma but because nintswembu nizohlezi nishaya because nintswembu.
Sure.
Animanga umuntu oyi-one.
So are you saying now currently when it comes to isicoco se-chorus you are giving to Inyoni?
Yeah, most definitely.
Because honestly speaking, I want to agree to what you are saying. There was a time whereby ECCAC dominated.
Yeah. There was a
time whereby Pelling Fire dominated. There was a time whereby River dominated as well. So it's just about the number one.
And
it's impossible. You know, I once saw a criticism about Inyoni on Facebook. One of these fake accounts. And then I saw a comment fans.
Sure.
And then he said, I don't want to quote because I'm gonna misquote. So I want to say something
along those lines.
So he said, "Inkulumo zizosaka to do better next time."
And which shows umuntu who can handle constructive criticism.
Sure.
Umuntu okwazi o understand how
you don't always win.
Actually competition futhi. Actually competition.
So okay, no.
Yeah, he is one.
Ngiyakuthola. But the recent Mlindelo, let's give Zamtolo. Let's give them.
Which one? Lo Mlindelo lo mu?
Lo Mighty Vision.
Lo Mighty Vision. Yeah, bona abafikile mfethu. Bona abafikile. Mina I feel ngathi into enza inyoni baneshaya. Inyoni mfethu strong. Abantu labo baya understand that. Yazi ngakuthiwa umuntu.
Inyoni has got a lot of ladies mfethu and
abantu bakusanga labo boys and manje
inyoni nokushaya i-alto yodwa.
Baba, alto yonke nje.
Yonke nje angangena. Awuyazi ke mina la ngimamdlali uyangazi uyangazi angidlali mina ke into nje ngimbamba ngimuthi ayikona sivele into zami but yeah so currently you are giving
most definitely
namnya vuma but kulo yamlindele lo yakho I don't know because but man these people that song was personal man to me because we don't listen to music ngendlela eyodwa but to me that song was
very personal, touching, moving.
And that guy is like there's no effort that he did
next, zero effort, minimum effort, bare efforts. And
I still wonder ukuthi kumenze wafila kanjani ukuthi you know mawuphuma bathi and that thing alone and beyiqala ukwenzeka ezayona umlando mangethi umushasha
umlando into yayiwani abantu baziphinde that's how bona bazenzele entsha and nanoma mfethu kunama comments azimpethu zomuntu vele nawo uzothinte ukuthi why lo muntu lo wakhuluma kanje. I think there's a podcast where uSbu why ekhuluma
I think it's what
Nephomile there's a podcast where he touched on indaba yokusonta kwakhe and the reason why he left, but showing ukubonisa mfethu ukuthi he came back a better man.
He came back strong just like we're doing now. We're coming back strong.
We are taking over. So it shows ukuthi abanye abantu nanoma ungakhuluma noma yini but into mayikubi nobody can take your lights.
Before we go to another topic, we were talking about giving abantu their flowers. I've got my favorite buffet. Ngamfana uyahlanya lo. Uthulana Matonzela.
Ngikwazi.
No, bro, let's give that guy. He's bringing something unique. People need to be stereotyped when it comes to everything. You must not be stereotyped. You must also go with the times as well. I have loved the post Ganzini when he did say long ago ukuthi one day nizothi ngasho now amagama wa my prophecy nayo ke manje iba uncovered iyavela ke manje brother that boy is a beast in value
out into him considering ukuthi he doesn't have abantu abaningi ngaleyo ndlela but the way I understand ngakhona music
amantombazane amthanda
baba
ayamfuna kodwa bathatholakali but yeah, no, I Tulane Matonzela. You are our favorite. I think you know as well.
Yeah.
There's this thing that he did. It's a clip. I think it's 30 seconds. Damn. Oh my God. I think it was in the selfie. So but it's talking about it's Katsakosieza.
Some motivation.
The tune. Okay, it's fine. I'll go to his account and check it out. Basically, that's lapha kulelona le yange 6 September lapha emotion
lapha emotion
athi khawuleza le emotion umbuso kaKristu wena one band wena man.
Hayi mangithi lo muntu one
Skeke. Yabo mhlelo mangithi ngabe sekangifakazeke man.
But your boy, yeah, keep on doing great.
We see you, we recognize you.
And
After
usaphila asifuni futhi ukuthi sibe nomona, and we are not comparing you with anyone. We know you are surrounded by Amabeast, the likes of Bona Bufanzo Nabonzini, and every day you are bringing something unique. We love it, we are enjoying it. May you never back down, may you never see yourself above everyone. Continue being the person that you are. Yeah, be the person that you are. God will just bless you more and more and more and more.
Facts.
Bro, enough about churches. Where do we go? Fake accounts. Facebook fake accounts.
I was studying for.
What's your take?
I believe we would go to.
What causes one to create a fake account?
Personally, I feel good mental disorder is in it. I'm fake account for. Uthuka manje izwe lonke hayibo wena mina nginukathi yini nje because yalonto leyo, because I believe ukuthi it's some type of mental disorder, or awufuni nje ukuba excluded, ufuna ukuba popular, relevant, and ungathuka mpethu abantu abaqala ngama fake account ungathuka.
Have you ever came across one on a fake account bese wagcina bacekile ukuthi
ukho
serious?
Bayamazi mfethu.
One. Maka now uyazi la we don't feel favor.
Mfethu bayamazi.
First day yakho you need to impress us. Let's in there.
Bayamazi. Ngifuna ukushaya mina.
Maluwani lo.
Bayamazi bona, bayamazi.
Serious?
Mfethu la muntu wamosha mntangeni. Mosha blind.
Yeah, okay. What was the name of the fake account?
Because it's an account that died.
Leni ka ukuthi
Leona le.
Thamidlomo.
Nayi. Thamidlomo.
Mntwana Thamidlomo.
Thamidlomo
Found ala lento lena uThamidlomo.
Yamazi. Ale emoshile. Lena tshela abaphathi thizeni ukuthi asikhathele phela yini studio.
Baba.
Uyazi
Yes studio.
Baba. Thamidlomo emoshile.
Ithi kenzakala le studio.
Ithi sikhathele ukuzwa ama voice afanayo e-studio akukushintshi.
Sure.
Kahle
wena uthini wale nto le?
Yase-studio. Because abantu bayasaba ukuya e-studio.
That's the thing. Fine. My answer would be that as well. Akusizi ukuthi ngithi mina mangathi uyakaningi e-studio whereby no one is going to studio.
Abantu bayasaba ukuya e-studio. Angazi mhlamba ama-fans or bona bayasaba nje.
Or ama voice.
Self-confidence.
Hey, but ke ama fake account maningi man. I don't know why would one create a fake account. Angazi abantu abangafani nathi makunento nje kumele address uyiqonde ngqo.
Khona ku account yakho.
Yeah, we address nje straight nje so like abantu be fake account. Yeah. I sometimes prefer lo mfana ohlanyayo lo bani lo uSimanga lo Giyaza yona. I sometimes prefer ngoba yena uyayikhulumela umsangano wakhe kodwa ukhuluma kwaziwa ukuthi ubani. So now if you want to be hiding behind a certain wall kodwa ufuna ukuveza something, then to me you don't exist. And I mean ayikho into ozoyisho ngami nge-fake account bese mangiceda ingiphathe kabi. Hayi futhi nami lo into oyishoyo ukuthi bani
mama Jesu.
Hayi nami ukwangikhuluma shema kodwa ithe kodwa mina ngebhadi ke ngathola ukuthi ubani yabo, because I've got people that side. So ngabe
mawuthi that side
Durban.
Was it Durban?
Hayi
Marinda bazaseGold uzikhuluma.
You know lento le ihamba kanjani i-fake account? It's a word of mouth. Word of mouth. You are my enemy. If ever kuna something yenzakalayo ngami, you go behind and you
so cool.
That's how it goes. Ziyafika kithi thina indaba zabantu ezifika kithi singayikhulumi zingakanani umuntu because ubhitha ngasamething. Hence ngaqalwe le operation Kucula because bona bakulanda ngqo mawulinkani, then they talk about that because obviously you would not want your name to be tarnished, then you would be forced to attend leyo nto leyo. But to have someone ongazi ukuthi mangikhulume ngesithupesha or trend ufuna ukutrenda nanani bra, we've passed that. I think
futhi mali ngaba fake account esiwabonile
iphenye ngathi kuyahlupha
ayinata mani
Ayahlupha.
Amanye nje.
Wena igift amidlonga hayi la ukahlupa lo.
Ukhona omunye bani uyangena.
Uyashisa eZion.
Ayikhona lo manje.
Amazi uyashisa eZion.
Bani lo?
First.
Ayezini lezo.
Ayezini.
Lezingane lezo sasizazi. Manje awafiki la
Uyashisa eZion.
Chisani. Yini eshisayo? Hayi. But yeah, I think fake account to anyone also bhalwa fake account. I don't think you should take it to heart.
Yeah.
Personally, fake account, it's issue. Fake account.
Fake account.
So it's just a catfish.
You don't even need.
There's nothing real.
Eshiwo lo muntu lo.
Regardless ukuthi uphethe iphepha elingakanani, for the fact ukuthi you cannot be you, then bese kuba abomakera speech laba bama account wabo bakera speech saka fake account ke hey mawuthi uyamlandelela umuntu akho uyambheka hey uvela ubone ukuthi shem yazi yena ngabe uthatha lesikhathi uinvest empilweni yakhe ngabe kuba ngcono kodwa sothini phela ngoba umuntu asimkhetheli impilo yakhe ukuthi njani asimkhetheli
ngoba ngeke umkhethele.
Bro, let's go to TikTok nama lives wakhona namhlanje nje ngifuna lesithi nqampi ngoba siyandlala nje sidlalela izwi
First episode.
yeah it's just an episode yokuvula nawe sikisho ukuthi uphethe ibhodo lakhe lisha
Yeah.
By the end of the show uTheuzo sipika
Yeah. Most definitely.
lithi
Most definitely.
but izobidlala kuphi
Khona la
echannelini
yeZion
yeZion
Cards. Khona la.
TikTok. Yeah, we see a lot of leaders. We see a lot of prophets. Ebagadla mfethu online. We see a lot of them bakhipisana imali sibuka.
Hawu,
Umhola ebize nje account number nje. Yazi umhola ngasaba bazathi yenza immediate payment. Ngathuka ngene kwenye live bathi yenza immediate payment ngathi
ngoba ukona lo mholi thizeni.
Siyamaza isecret.
Abama.
Lastly mina ngihleli mfethu into like siyisho injalo because kokunye abantu kumele angazi ngabasiza kanti especially abosisi labo mama sisenkingeni bathanda inyanga nabantu laba bafethu umuntu umazi ukuthi nasesontweni lakho akavukwa ngisho yini kodwa makangena ku TikTok
sebamtshela ukuthi hawo
bathi mkhulu bakithi yebo
lapho ukazi
ingane nje umntwana nje
awukazi ukuza athi ipenje ahlupheka ke esontweni sibone ukuthi khona
ephethe umntwana bathi mkhulu ngenze njani ngifake kuphi nje economy yonke ayenze immediate payment yabo soyifakile hayibo so TikTok sekuyini mfethu
mfethu TikTok mfethu laba holi bapush agenda
enjani
bapush agenda angeke mina uzongithintela live ku live kanjani mfethu kanjani uyehlelwa kanjani indaba zomuntu ku live asikhulume iqiniso mfethu.
So are you saying amanga? Everyone. Including abo Dr. Kehlelezi, including abo Dr. Preseken, including abo Mabalem.
Scratch.
Hlala kwasana?
Scratch mfethu. Angadlalwa ngathi na.
So you saying it's all about the check?
Mfethu they after the man. After the man.
But abanye banokuvuma bathi yavuma mkhulu vele kunjalo.
Ngitshelile emasayidini mama ufike ngalo mina ngizothi
Unama. Hayi wena thina benza kanjani?
Basto.
Okay fine. Asekele laba abanye. Asikhulume ngalaba bethu bala eZion. Asikhulume ngalaba bethu bala eZion.
Bese naso angeke uzoyenza live. Ulokuthi sendani lion.
Prophet belayon.
Prophet belayon. Sendana ama rose.
Prophet ama rose.
Hawu.
So are you saying and imagine nami nginya uthi yami nami nokwenza le mina ngisazi ngoku yazi ukuthi ukhuza ngaphi impingene ngapha so you saying if we see you as a prophet live and then bakubiza mkhulu prophet abantu indaba yakhe
ayikho scratch.
I think I'm gonna name few. I know one or aba nama allegations where rape udladla yamaza and then I know there's this one who's always online he's a good guy man. It's just that I think we need him on podcast. Shandu yamaza I'm not sure but I think I think we need clarity from them. Mhlambe as guests. How does it work?
Mhlambe sina we are misunderstanding.
Sure.
Mhlambe uyafikelwa phela.
Uma comment la bathi call into ebizwa ngokuthi abezizwe.
Comment go.
La ku TikTok
bathi
bayazi lento ekuthiwa bezizwe
ulive ku TikTok wena oh bathi obezizwe
hayi
basibukele njengoba sikhuluma bathi abezizwe yini abezizwe izizwe
abazokubanitshela mhlawumbe kuma comment
mhlawumbe bazosichazela mfethu kancane I prefer ukuthi umuntu afike azosho iside lakhe le story singamjudge vele mina vele ngiyayihlaba vele le ndawo
99
hayi
okay so tell me if ever kungangena umholi manje ku TikTok akutshele nje indaba zakho wezingakhona what would you say akutshele nje thini
I don't tell that thing. I'll give him because angazi ngibe nayo.
Oh, you first need to experience it.
Yeah, ayenze angizwe ngomuntu athi vele mina umholi iqiniso le ndawo ngithintela yona. Kodwa nje le ama roses hayi ngadlala.
But what does these roses do?
I think they turn into money or something.
So it's still about money.
It's still about money. It's still about money. Obviously bakhona abathandazi vele umuntu akubize akunike ikhambi lakho uhambe.
Sure.
Manje le yako online
and also the problem is that it start online then sasa sekumele uye kwakhe sasa somgwatela sazi ukuthi what happened
siyanghosta manje understand ukuthi yenzakala.
My question is why kuthiwa abakhulu bakubize ukuthi umkhulu wena esontweni thina sikubiza ngomthandazi ungubani kodwa mase ufika ku TikTok
bathi wamkhulu
automatically why
I feel ngathi into abayiportray bazibona abaqale bazibize ngomkhulu.
Okay.
Ukuthi mntanami ngimbize ngomkhulu. Ngazi phela. Lapho umuntu uyabatshela ukuthi ngumkhulu bosibani bani.
Sure.
Yabo?
Anonya kuthula.
But I think masingathola umuntu ozofika mhlambe kube ayilandelise kahle le ndaba sizwe yena ukuthi uyehlela kanjani.
Okay, talking about you as uThabo Ngubane ngizonya reverse nje kancane in terms of this thing ye online social media nanani. You are known as someone ohlanyayo nje khuluma nje into efikayo engqondweni.
Yeah.
And how do people take whatever that you say online and then what happens uma nibonana labantu labo? Because I don't think you have ever mentioned someone's name, but because of at that time the shoe fits.
Baningi bosindarela.
Yes.
Baningi bosindarela. Angifisa ukuqala mina nje hayi. Ungazi kimi uzongikhulumela le nto leyo. Uthi mina ngibhale ngayo. Ngakaze ngibhale ngayo.
So you've never came across mhlawumbe emlindelweni or whereby people
baningi.
Serious?
Baba.
Lapho ukhuluma ngayo.
Angikhulumanga nanegama ke ukuthi bani.
Not igama lomuntu. Mhlawumbe into wayisho
umuntu. Yo. Ngakhuluma I think it was 2023. Kuyi Friday.
Daluhlanya mos 2023.
Afisa awudala.
Yeah.
2023 ngizele esikolweni yabo. Ngiyazi ukuthi kusasa kunomphindelo. Ngibhale mina no Facebook. Sabudlala. Hayibo. Ningabe senifundula ama brands waseNatal manje umphindelo nje walokha. Seniyavutha manje. Hawu nota. Ngiqishi bo ngibelele eceleni. Hawu. Mazithi nje isikhathi. Mase kuyi-break time without ngene ku Facebook. Ha. Hayi. Sengatshela ukuthi phela mawubhimbe kusasa, sobhimbe for unyaka wonke umlindelo wokuqala. Hayi bayazi ngigibele. Njengoba ungakwazi nokucula wena mbovu uzosishayela kabi. Hayi
Awukhuluma ngamuntu.
Mfethu angibhalanga negama ke lebandla thi. Next.
So that has never stopped you, Guti. That has never made you to refrain from talking about this njalo going forward.
Mfethu freedom of speech. Freedom of speech.
But I understand what now
I understand because I think mele bafunde ukuthi yini freedom of speech. You are entitled to your opinion. It's not somebody's opinion but it's my opinion. And considering ukuthi angibizanga kama lomuntu, angibizanga kama leso.
Ungayekhotha uwin ekuseni.
Ungayekhotha ngiwini.
Sure.
Ngibatshela ukuthi ngingakangidakela. Ngikhuluma into engakazi ngiyisho. Because bazoshona because
but manje
in the statement does it say
sure
ukuthi he said isonto.
But now sasa kakhona kulo mndileleyo. Vele abantu bakulwisa bavuthile vele.
Baba, sibi. Hayibo.
Anyazi ukhuluma.
Hayibo. Sebakwatile manje abantu hawo. Omunye serayi ngakithi. Ungayenzi lento.
Serious?
Uyasathanda mntana ngithi uma ungayenzi lento. Abanye vele
I once heard ukuthi
ngathi ukawa nekwanyana necover thizeni.
Angazi mina.
Serious ngathi kule post eke yaba head. Yeah, because I've got umamkhulu wami looking ngibiza gogo. Yeah, life was us na cover nani. I remember even moment. Yeah. That case, ukubona case leyo man baze nakubiza man bekuthole lo case. Ngathi uqubile lapha angisazi uthini man lapha.
Angithi.
Mara lekinyaka ayishilo khona.
Mina abaningi nje abantu abahluka.
So you're not going to stop
Why should I stop? Because it's my opinion. Ngihlezi ngisho mina. Angikwatela ukuthi umbomvu uthi
sure.
Angikwatela ukuthi oqala bezimncane. Umuntu eqala bona la, hayibo kade umncane kanje izinto osikhuluma.
Besides umncane, I think when you are at your private space, you are not what you portray on social media. You're quiet. Like
in public. In public.
Yeah, in public. Why?
Ninjalo. Social media.
So you cannot say those things in person.
Ngingazisho kanti ngisabani ngishilo ngathi opinion yami angeke stop from saying what I think.
Yeah.
Angeke ngikwatela ukuthi ngitheni futhi and vele beka niyajumpisa niyenza obvious niyavutha niyavutha vele which shows ukuthi bengikhuluma into ekhona abantu abazobona ukuthi oh vele le sho ukuthi umbombe akakhuluma ngalaba
Zalani operation Kutulula. What's your take?
Umsebenzi wancome.
What do you know them for?
I know them for ukuthi there's these cases khona mama wase-Antioch washela yindlu I think correct me if I'm wrong washela yindlu I know ukuthi nimpushele and I commend that ukuthi it's as much as abantu bazoyihlaba bathi hey Kutulula ikhuluma indaba but bazazi bona izinto abazenzayo
Wasikhuluma indaba thini?
Wathi uyaqhuba mfowethu
Unamama
umuntu wena
yakhaba ngami
baba wathi uyaqhuba
Yebo.
wathi uyaqhuba
Unamama mfethu.
Wena wathi uyaqhuba
ngani yenzeni
Hawu mangethe uyayivuma leyo wena.
hayi bangiqubi mina ngiquba ngani mina I'm just a case solver
wathi uyaqhuba
basho njani
wathi ufaka icase baba
oh bathatha ngama case
wathi ufaka icase
But what's nice is that akakabi nento enjalo eza give direct ukuthi bathi ngiyaqhuba.
So anything that has not been said directly to you is unsaid.
awubakithi ngiyaqasha wena
So yeah, so how do you feel about this initiative eyenzwa abafowethu of which I think it's founded by uSmiso Okhonze Ark of Grace hlala eFried njengoba mina sebangenza into enkulu eKutulula kanti ngiyilunga nje ngilandela imiyalelo yabantu
Sure. Bese uyenzile phethu umsebenzi aqhubeke. Umuntu okwataka kwakhe mina ayi.
bufofa
Hayi.
because of into echaza ngabo baphethe ama facts and uma ubasukela azibenza njani baphatha ipig balande nalomuntu lo awugubha 5 years back
Yebo but. Unjalo.
So but yeah, other than that, no, is an Operation Kutulula it's a non-profit, it's a registered non-profit organization that deals with serious cases. Recently, we've had like I think it's 4 cases of rape. Njengoba abantu banaka imjolo yabo le abayenza isingangeni kuyo thina. Yeah, but either way, when people come to us with a case and then we try ukuthi singabi bias
of the story.
For example, kune case kaMangethe beyingenile nje yabona. Sangena ukuthi sizama ukuthi iyakaze internal. Yabona? Sikhuluma wayisolve umfo. Asikhetha amahlangothi. Wageza igama lakhe.
Into silwela ukuthi umuntu angakwadi emasayidini. Fika usho na ukuthi iside lakho lestory.
Thank you.
Because angeke uzolo ukhuluma emaceleni bakhuluma ngami. Izampe usho ukuthi abafethu. Leni ikhulumayo ayikho. If ama allegations are wrong. Ufika usho ukuthi
imanje ukuthi manje abazazi nalezinto lezi zabo Madlanga Commission bekumele bafunde lapho ukuthi there were allegations made by uGeneral Mkhwanazi. Everyone uthintekile uyeza azogeza igama
lakhe in whatever way afika abeka indaba yakhe ye story side lakhe le story
phela
simple
and then thina amalona ama-chairperson bese sizama ukubona ukuthi ekiyiphi but sure if you are Operation Kutulula guys please support the initiative. I think iningi niyazi and you know it's
it's heavy. I'm a case as well receiver. Not every case is solved. Especially when it comes to rape cases. I'm not sure if uzama tester the organization or ganjani. And I remember which in each and every case again it needs money.
Yeah.
The guys have lost momentum in terms of going live and asking for money. I don't know why, but I think we will try with spark. Yeah, but like next week we've got a rape case in Kunyongai on Tuesday. Okay. That girl is 19 years. We said it was like 4. And 19. That girl was saying that we are acceptable. So we have to come in and say no, you cannot. There's still a chance. We can still find the perpetrators as well. So yeah, guys, please do support this initiative, especially financially, because believe you me, Fana, it's strenuous. Trust me, it's strenuous to get. We've got unemployed, we've got students who we've got students who are expected to keep him alive because they are part of the organization. But someone on a page because of city about donating 50 rand, 10 rand, they thinking what you've got money. We've got money. Esi collective MLS yambise kuphi eKZN singabanga kunazithiwe sidle imali egama la kwaMhlobo. You understand? Even though igoal lethu asilorichanga because of our community does not support each other. You know, I'm very certain ukuthi if it was another community whereby kuvela ukuthi umlangelo uchelwe yindlu, people will be coming out in numbers donating ukuthi lento lesisheshe siyakaza. Nah, I think I'm not sure if we are cursed or kanjani, but yeah, the goal was not reached. However, we are grateful to everyone who have contributed. We are grateful futhi abantu abaningi bazikhandile. Sure. Mind you, we went with imali zethu. We made a live to show what is in that. We didn't take a cent from what was donated. We are going back next week. We are not taking a cent from Imanzaman. We are taking money from our pockets. So it shows that we are just dedicated. We wish ukuthi lokho abantu abangakwazi ukusizana ngakho sikhuculula singene siyasolve ngilapho. Yebo vele mawenza into enhle ayakuthandile vele. Vele kuyaziwa and abantu bazozama ukuyibeka ngendlela bayibeka ngayo, but ayikho into ezongena kithi kisenze sihlehla. For as long as I've got facts, my brother, ngeke ungenze next. Ungangishaya ungenzeni if ever I don't have into ephathekayo. But data. So and the aim is not to build, but the aim is to show ukuthi abohleva babekhona kudala. Mhlambe nathi saba abohleva or isikadlalwa ngathi or or satshotshela abantu or sayenzani, but now the manje sekele yethu is very small for ukuthi singenzani indlela.
Yeah, very small.
Okay, so that's Zion Operation Kukulula, guys. Please make sure you follow them on social media, especially on TikTok at Zion Operation Kukulula Asiketi Jamoti Sizimele. Other than that, we are moving forward. We've had a lot of RIPs, man. That is it's so sad. It's so sad. We've got a lot to talk about. We just need to touch base on as a youth. How do you feel when you see or when you wake up to a status of someone saying a person of your age or is no more?
Considering which there's a lot of my age mates and
they want to show me made. No! Ngifuna kuba emotional.
Yabo. Consider
you guys. But you made up. Something in terms of police. I'm sure you're the spouse, bro. You said the media on Facebook. You said the media.
Yeah, media.
So when you say media, I'm expecting would obviously insuring those. Next.
Engazi.
Mara mfethu nadlala.
Bese sikazi bese yazi nami ngizwe ukuthi hawu.
Uzoseka sekuyimura service sekuzongcwatshwa.
Bese ngizwe nje sengizwa mfethu.
But how did you feel? How did you feel as Bomtanda or she was one of the
Ngasothi naseza yona.
Azange ngithondeza yona.
Sengiyasho nje ukuthi bengimthanda nje. It wasn't.
Sengisho ukuthi was she the only one or maybe she was just one of those that you had at the time?
No, she was definitely the only one.
The only one. Nah. So how did you feel? Because that must be heartbreaking.
Considering, hey, this is it's been a barrier for me. Akazi nje ipati.
Safana na.
Hey,
Safana. But I'm not in grand.
ah,
Wena?
sangimnandi.
No grand.
I'm in great.
Bese imnandi.
Yeah.
I feel ngathi grief mfethu is.
Did you cry?
Oh, kabuhlungu. Lento ukuthi indoda ayikhali,
Yini le nto le? Yini le nto ekhaya? Wena ikhala zome thina.
Mfethu.
Khala zome thina.
Khala ziziphela.
Akhala zoma, khala zome.
Phela uzuhayize.
Ubani uthi indoda ekhaya?
Baningi mfethu, baningi.
Ubani uthi indoda ekhaya umlethe la umbuze ukuthi simuze ukuthi awukhali ngalipi yini esayenza ke na.
Hayi mfethu.
Simfake mhlambe
izimo zabantu asifani.
Oh, indoda ayikhali ngokuthi abamnikanga imali bamthethisanga. Ngathi indoda ayikhali.
Ngokuthi manje allowance bamnikanga sa indoda ayikhali. Ayisuka.
Ayithi ngoyithola imali allowance.
Bese ngizothi indoda ayikhali. Ayisuka.
Afuna usilawula so mfethu. Khalile mfethu.
So you cried?
Kabuhlungu mfethu. Khala uzukhathale ngako.
So were you known Kubo, were you given an opportunity to be part of the program, or you were just a stranger? Yeah, I may figure I
Let's ngibangicaba.
Yeah. So you were on the program.
And ngabona ngathi aqoqela suthi boyiqo kumethe dance ne.
Apho suthi wani.
Hayi bo. Isuthi wani.
Wabuza nepotile mse. Umshungule umthabo ubuye kubethi dance olubuye phela. Amanani change. Chinchana.
Bengafaka lesuti pa yazi. Bengafaka lesuti. Bengafaka lesuti. And into ebuhlungu mfethu ukuthi lo muntu lona bangcwaba it was on a Tuesday. Bangcwaba nge-Tuesday. Same Tuesday ngine exam.
Azange uye examine.
Ngingcwabeni.
Sengisho examine azange.
Exam bengibhala khona ngithi ama late session.
Washada double.
Ashada.
But obvious into ibhayila yikho obvious. If uthi ukhalile ngempela. Buso uye nje.
Into engibhalile yikho. Kanjani manje? Kanjani manje? Hayibo. Phela kusile izinto zokudlala mfethu.
Okay, so we move forward. So we were talking about RIP Loseza in Asia. Unfortunately, there's nothing that we can do.
Isikhathi somuntu mase sifikile.
My advice, okay, before my advice, what you advise to umuntu osaphila mhlanje?
Yes, live your life to the fullest. Mfethu. Cause ikusasa lakho lazi. Live your life to the fullest. Ungazincishe ngokuthi phila impilo yakho to the fullest. Nokuthi sizokukhumbula kusasa sisho ukuthi ungabheka umuntu aqamba manga umfowethu hayi. Sazi ukuthi nabo abantu bekahamba nabo. These are the type of people that associated themselves with. Umuntu sekavunula ithombe za 2019
Bayithanda lento.
Bayithanda la umshona umuntu. Banomuntu nje
Google photos
bese sekakutheka lapha ku Facebook is it real? Hawu umuntu ushonile uyothenga account yakhe ku Facebook.
There's a question that I've always wanted to understand. There's a question that I've always wanted to understand, ne?
Sure.
Okay. Uma umuntu eshona. Let's say mina, God forbid. God, I can't die now. Not now. Jeez, not now. But yeah, let's say it happens that in Yashona match.
Sure.
Why do people Mastro Mara on statuses how powerful, how one as if you are directly talking to me? How does that work? Did you when you lost your girlfriend, did you also write on statuses? Probably it's the grief at that time. I don't know when I feel enough, but
at first I believe Gucci is a thing of our belief.
Who are you writing to? That's my question. Did you write?
ngivele ngaphosta nje ukuthi RIP always love you. Thank you.
Awume wena ubhala into engaka awume sasena.
Ngibhala into enkulu.
Ngike bathi lo muntu wakho manje bekafuna ukudelethisa. Leyo nto leyo. Zokwakhala ngabo leyithulile lo nto.
Bathini?
Umuntu wakho girlfriend yakho manje yakhala ngale post yakho yokuthi wathatha umuntu wakho umthanda nana. Uqhubekile ithi
For you.
yakhala nyakuthipha. Rara to brother yakhala umuntu wakho.
Hayi.
So abantu ababhala ngale ndlela mhlambe is how they grieve how they
because we react to grief differently.
Sure.
Does
it make sense to you?
Does
it make sense to you?
Ubhalela abantu ngoba lo muntu wami.
Exactly. Okay, no, it's fine.
Especially mina ngathola inkulumo zokuthi imo stress lo mntwana wasibulala.
Man uthini? Kanti uyibulele? Ngizokushaya wena man.
Uyisuicide.
Hayi.
Uyisuicide.
Bona kumenzeni maratha?
Bengasiyo.
Mara kade niqabele vele nga.
Qabeli say.
Take this one side. How old was she?
She was 21.
Yo. Uzibulele
She
kanjani?
was about to turn 21.
Uzihengile. Please.
Okay.
Wena kuwakaza khalaze ukuthi mhlambe uphinende emphatha kabi or kanjani?
Ukhalazile le. Like yazi ama indirect but ungakhulumi into straight.
Sure.
But yazi ukuthi umuntu wakho uma umfonela nikhulume niba ngicela sengiphuma kuleyo mqondo.
Did you talk to her on the day la khona azothatha impilo yakhe bana?
Next.
Oh, but at some point did you ever felt like you've got a hand actually wena? Honestly speaking, wena ukhuluma nawe.
So mina ngiyenzanga next. So I don't think angazi ngimstress nabangani bakhe bazosho ukuthi hayi angazi nje akhulume anything. I've never done something that would make her do that.
Sure.
I don't think it was the reason.
Bafethu ngifuna siva lesimnandi but igama lishilo ngilithathile. Let's live our lives to the fullest. Let's try to complain less. Let's be happy. I always say let's be happy. Life's too short. I always post about this. Life's too short.
Too much.
Even when I lost my sister, alright, next. She woke up, but she was right here. Wakamanzi waenza yonke into. Emini wathi ukhathele uphela manje. 10 minutes, 15 minutes, gone. Nothing. Just last week. So I think if wena ufuna ukusikhathaza, ustress thola abanye abantu thina we are not interested. So life is too short. If you cannot be happy, then find those who are grumpy like you. Niform a group nibe nodwa noma thina lisithini. Mfethu recently Lindelo ndona yami ngifuna nje ungazise manje eminye bengekho kuyo yabo. Let's take it from very early on the year till date. Ngizokhuluma kakhulu nje ngaleli league yethu kakhulu ngesihamba
kuyo thina.
Ngoba sesikhulumile ngeligi le yama-chorus. Sesibuya ngapha manje. Recent Mlindelo mfethu. Who are you giving to? You gave Inyoni. Uma-chorus. Now we are on Uzayon 1 but it's Gege.
Yeah.
Who are you giving to?
I'm going to be a machine. I feel Gabi.
Kahlungu.
Gabi. Ngizobe ngumuntu onamanga.
Uzobe umqambi
Ngizobe ngibiased ngingabaphi. Ngizobe ngibiased ngingabaphi.
Abaningi nje
Ngiyabaningi.
2025 for giving it to them.
Ukaphela unyaka mntangeni.
But mawuthi ufikile usukuthi khona potential esangayivala lo muntu
bakho. Bona ngoba bawukhuphile.
Sure.
Ngoba bawukhuphile bona. Bona bawukhuphile.
So mawuthi unyaka ukapheli. I mean, I think it's same Mlindelo 1 range
2.
And then do you think ukuthi khona bangashaje 3 baba number 1?
Ngakudlala phela. Sesiyawubala.
So you gave it to UBM.
Yeah.
In Shine 10 and then I'm runner up.
Abantu abalandelayo.
Yeah.
Fethu. Beat.
Church of Christ.
Beat.
Okay.
For me nathina sohlezi number 1.
Okay.
Okay. Yabuza ngani yakwethu.
Thina sohlezi number 1 beat.
Yeah, sure.
Sero ngamane bathini.
I don't know thina sesaba ne injury ngithi.
thina sisasene injury.
An injury, honestly speaking, jokes aside,
Jokes aside, it's critical.
because he injury is
critically, and it shine the confidence.
It's a playmaker.
Yeah, it's a playmaker. Umuntu who makes a change in the game.
Sure.
Yeah, uniscover.
Mfukeni.
Mfethu.
Mfukeni.
Critical play.
Sure.
Umuntu oshaya izinto zenzeni.
And makabuya vele ukwatile vele. Uyobaphethe isibhamu ukwendukula kwasana.
Siyobhubhisa. Yobhubha nomkhulu.
Okay, so you're giving Church of Christ runner up, and then in third place angifuni nje ukuthi ino yaba sebu 5 kuze ngena abatemela ngabangena. Number 3 nje siyafana.
Number 3. Hey. Antioch.
But on that podcast, didn't you say Antioch number 1?
It's home base,
Emadwaleni. Okay. So you're giving Antioch that. So now Antioch it comes in different groups, whereby sometimes there will be a mixture of home base, and sometimes Baba Jones Pela. So who are you giving?
It's abantu bacula regardless ukuthi nomumvezi angekho.
Sure.
Bambe esikhona.
Sure.
Bona bacula regardless.
So labo ngababizana uthi wena manje abahambi bayojima. Into ishoyo leyo wena manje.
Bethe khona angifuna abantu bathi.
No one will say what.
Ngithe. Allegedly.
Yeah, allegedly so.
There's still time. There's room for improvement.
Sure.
And ikhona improvement.
Sure.
Competition iyakhula.
And then now that you're talking about that, I want to ask about, I think you guys also touch base on that, the podcast Kalumile.
Sure.
And then about the gatekeepers going on.
Yeah.
What about them? What's your take about the gatekeepers going on? Starting from the Church of Christ, if we have, starting from the Church of Christ, if we have gatekeepers. Yeah.
My gatekeeper church bethu adini. Angikhumbuli khona umuntu obuye waphuma eChurch of Christ that's abamniki. Acula.
Do they give you a church pair noma mhlambe yonke indawo?
Phela ngeke sodla. Sometimes. Ukhona umuntu oright Sunday.
Kunabantu beSunday.
Uyawathi beSunday but why?
Kunabasontisi.
Mina ngathi thina abasitupenda. Yeah, abasontisi. Mina ngasho ukuthi siya rotate.
And what's your take about the gatekeepers in terms of ubusonto? Like abanye abantu. Ukuthi ingoma ihlelekile one but ama members baningi la yafuna ukucula, which I think is one of the reasons abanye abantu bathi
awuyithi hawo angeke lena simamele wena namanje somamela wena.
Sure. I move. Sayivale Mndeni.
Sayivale.
Bhekani King Ncube latest album.
Nkosi leya.
What's your take?
Nkosi leya. Nkosi leya.
Sure.
I'm not it's the album.
Sure nje?
I'm not.
Hayi wena.
Definitely.
Hayi ukuthi usaba mhlawumbe ukuthi kuzothiwana
Sure.
Angisaphela mina. Angisaphela. Ungizondayo kangizonda ufire kafi.
Zonda uzayo.
Ungizondayo kangizonda.
Ufire
isiphithi.
Ngiyakuzwa.
The album mnandi. Most definitely mnandi. Definitely with the streaming because that's streaming.
What's the how is it different from their previous album?
I feel as what's different from our previous albums.
Why? Yeah.
Because King Wishes.
Okay, what's unique about this one?
What's unique about this one? We say very into
The previous one had ladies.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. The previous one
had ladies, okay.
The previous one had ladies. We say
so uthanda ukuthi ubuyisizwe.
Akuthi ngithanda ukuthi ubuyisizwe but nengoma zakhona kweningoma mengazazi.
What's your favorite?
Ngizizwe namhlanje.
What's your favorite?
Favorite. Kosi ngiyabheka ku.
Credit card. Yeah, it's fine.
So
Kosi ngiyabheka ku.
Sure.
Hleli mfethu baba.
Mina ngithanda hey ngumntwana. That's my favorite. That's
King ipo.
Your message to King?
Aqhubeka asinike music emnandi.
Yeah.
Because akaze us disappoint this stream.
Sure.
And angiyazi angeke aqale manje. Usiphindile futhi. Sekuhloda nje yona iCrown.
So we've heard ama albums that were recorded this year. Unfortunately, the podcast at that time was on e-break. But what's your take about those albums? I'm talking about Abahlabeleli bakamoya. We are talking about Isho. Chairman, yes. Iliphelinye futhi Burning Fire. Angiyaxolisa makuba ngilibizanga elinye, but yeah, we're talking about a combination of all recorded this year. What's your take?
Abantu bayacula mfethu manje yazi. Ayacula.
Alikho nje uzothi laba bokhokhomelo.
Ngithi lapha hayi mfethu abantu baculile mfethu.
Sure.
Abantu baculile. Kabuhlungu futhi abantu baculile.
Right, Mandatulile, guys, keep it up. Sishilobuti, we are back with a bang. And of course, before Sivana, we've got great news. I've also been given an opportunity to be the master of ceremony alongside Uzinhle Thanjekwayo, happening tomorrow. Ekatlehong Esprit MVG is hosting. Is it an album launch, ne?
Yeah, orchestra.
Yeah, definitely. I want to ask you, Mbovu, are you coming? And what's your take about the event le? Because Sibonile ngathi they are bringing something unique. Orchestra yazi.
Violin.
Unathina. I have one band. How we one band ayikulunga lapha? Okay, are you coming? Why are you not coming? Who? No, this thing is a me, bro, and I will be there as well. And on Sunday, so what's your excuse for not coming? You can still buy tickets. Plus, also share the suit there.
I just this for my suit.
Tamba who's in when they would we are full who's the event in the MVG, but it's now we are raised on Gania with car wasn't fit. We are on orchestra. What do you understand about the orchestra? MVG is hosting our album launch. We have been given a great opportunity to be the masters of ceremony alongside Uzinhle Thanjekwayo. It's a great one because it's a black tie event whereby you don't just come never go stay in and so they say in shop on the side and shop and I've heard there's a protection service so yeah, so get your ticket, guys. It's a mere 200, just a mere 200 for Uzo witness the orchestra. As I only, come on, guys, we are indeed moving with the time.
Sure.
What's your take?
Most definitely. Bazana something new.
Sure.
Most definitely danger. And I'm going to Mbuso Khoza said you will be attending the event.
I've seen Mbuso Khoza wearing Zion clothes. Usunda River.
Khoza.
Olo Khoza. Mbuso there.
Yes. Yeah, I think. Yes, most definitely.
I would love to.
If I'm not wrong, yeah. But I saw.
Well, I would love if he can come and attend. Guys, please do get your tickets. I've heard that there's a sale going on. That's a bulk sale that has happened, and then it was sold out by Buisi the 40. If not, tickets will be sold at 200 rand. We will make sure we bring nothing but fire because I also trust. Co-host Yami as well on the day. I believe in her. I've seen her doing great work. We will be at Katlehong at Tsolo section. Is it Tsolo? Tsolo section MVG. And but they are artist development as well. So they're not just a random choir, but they are developing artists as well. We are going back to the Leyani, gatekeepers. So lapaya mababona talent. Now when njengoba singaliboni talent lakhe esontweni njalo lapha bazobona ukuthi you are good kuphi. Yabo. So what can you say to those who want to come but ebebangazi ukuthi kumele benze?
Bafethu, most definitely we must pull up. It's something new.
Sure.
It's not as I want.
Sure. I don't even know what to expect.
So most anticipated event I would say, this month. So pull up in numbers. Pull up in numbers to experience into engayazi land.
And then ngizwile bathi usitha sesithombe sibuzobamile kabi ngama-interviews emnyama.
Baba.
Gabi, but make sure that you polish your English as well, because at the door, Stupid Production and Sound Cut as abamile American J akubuza ukuthi what
Usiphathele.
Na
Wasiphathele.
siyayivala manje ngifuna sivale nge-OJL Enterprise guys. Make sure that you sign up. They have got a special that is running. They've called it a, I'm not sure if it's a spin bonanza or what, but if you sign up with them, then you will be able to get 200 rand back.
Okay.
And they provide services with unlimited fiber. Of course, there are different packages whereby if you choose a certain speed, it's higher, whereas you have to pay higher. For a higher speed. That's why we are able to go live. Singapore. Other than that, uma uphila ngempela ungana fiber endlini uphila kanjani awuyithandi. Life is too short. Live to the fullest, and you living to the fullest is you signing up with OJL Enterprise. Make sure that you do contact them on the following numbers on the screen. Make sure that you grab the special as well, so that 200 go back because you're taking about babies ama flowers. Bobo, your experience of the day, how was it?
Most definitely one of the best interviews I've been on. Considering this is my second interview, I'm very thankful for the opportunity.
Yeah.
And I'm promising because I ain't disappointed.
Yeah.
There's a reason why I'm in the host. Sure. Thank you very much.
What can people expect from your show? Take us through probably from the name of the show. What can we be expecting? Because Tina obviously with Stupid Production will be behind the scenes.
Yeah, most definitely anticipate something unique.
It's not
season. We are cooking something. I've been saying we are cooking something.
Are you having a group that you will be working with probably?
At the moment, no. But during the course of the week, I'm going to be innovative.
Sure.
I'm going to what type of questions.
What's your target market?
My target market is international.
Sure.
There's a lot of things.
Burning issues.
There's a lot of things we need to touch on, man.
Sure.
And I feel like there's too much. So
you are bringing peace.
I'm bringing peace and love.
Sure.
And love.
Now
we said,
yeah,
life is too short.
We are letting you go. What's the name of your show? Are you telling us now, or you still want to go and think about it? Or if you have it now, you can tell us now so that we can start maybe following you if you've got pages as well, or maybe it's in the Sazos videos.
Since Sazos the page for the show there.
Sure.
Starting in the brand new start, but it's still under the Zion and Cut.
Sure.
So I'm from Wimosh. Everybody says
okay.
Everybody says but most definitely it's a must watch.
It's a must watch. Are you gonna be coming every weekend? We will be watching you, or it will be a once-off thing?
Most definitely not once-off. I mean, I'm consistent.
Oh yeah. We are consistent for Ladies and gentlemen, I'm not alone behind the scene of God. Our videographer and producer of the show at Tulandazwane Nimazimo Stupid Productions. Make sure that you go on YouTube as well and subscribe to his channel. He has promised us ukuthi uyabuya ngamaskitsi uyabona niyazenzela kwa TikTok niyaimosha into yaqalwa nguye vele singofakazi wayiqala nguye mangethi vanelisa mfethu nathi sisivala imnandi siyobonana. Yeah, but other than that, we are back. We will be coming back with another co-host. Each and every week we'll be making sure Guti see and confused until Nina Nisho Guti stick to this. This is working. Then we will stick to what you guys want, because we've been away for long. We are back. Make sure that you do like, comment, and subscribe. Tell us, Las Moshe Corner, Ninga Slebi. And the word of the day, life's too short. As standard.